Many people today are in church, listening to the sermon, but they don't get it because they are not looking for Jesus. I'm asking myself, what's the problem with the Pharisees? Why couldn't they understand when Jesus taught about the gospel? And John gives us a clue. In John 5:39, this is what Jesus said, the you that is the Pharisees, you Pharisees, you study the scriptures diligently because you think that in them you possess eternal life. These are the very scriptures that testify about me. So Jesus is telling them that the scriptures studied were very diligent Bible students. But the problem is, they were looking in the Bible for laws because they believed that the law, obedience to the law, gave them the ticket to eternal life. The religion was based on law, and as long as they obeyed the law perfectly, they were assured of heaven. So that's why when they read the Bible, they were looking for laws. But Jesus told them, the main content of the Bible is not really the laws. The main content of the Bible is me. When you read the Bible, when you study the Bible, you should be looking for what it says about me. Because when you know me, you will get to know eternal life. When you obey the law, that will not bring you to heaven. But when you know me, you will have eternal life. So that's also speaking to us. We need to read the Bible to know who Jesus is. We shouldn't leave a Bible study. We shouldn't give a sermon without telling the people who Jesus is. Because if we don't do that, we won't be giving them bread, because Jesus is the eternal life that's in the Bible. He is the bread. He is the nutrition that's in the Bible. And the Pharisees didn't get it. So that's why they weren't listening to Jesus, because they were looking for laws. It's the same thing today. Many people today are in church, listening to the sermon, but they don't get it because they are not looking for Jesus. But like the Pharisees, they were looking for law. So even though the preacher is preaching a very good Christ-centered sermon, some people don't get it because they are looking for laws. They are waiting for him to mention the doctrine. Sometimes that happens,